If you or someone in your family has allergies, asthma, or sensitive skin, you've probably searched high and low for relief. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about how to tell if a cleaner is truly allergen and irritant free and why Force of Nature can bring you peace of mind and comfort. Tip number 1, remove toxic fragrances. Fragrances are one of the biggest triggers for asthma, allergies, skin irritation, headaches, and airway inflammation. And cleaning products are some of the worst offenders. That fresh or clean smell, it usually comes from added fragrance chemicals, which don't make a product work better, they just give the perception of cleanliness. In reality, that fresh scent isn't harmless. It's often one of the biggest irritants in your home. Force of Nature has absolutely zero added fragrances, dyes, or preservatives, making us a safer option for people sensitive to fragrance. Tip number 2, natural doesn't always mean safe. Just because a cleaner is labeled natural doesn't mean it's safe for sensitive people. Many natural cleaners use essential oils like lavender or lemon, which can still trigger asthma, headaches, or skin irritation. If you have allergies, it's best to look for fragrance-free and dye-free products first. Allergists say that matters more than whether it's natural. Force of Nature is the only allergen-free and irritant-free disinfectant on the market. Our appliance creates something called hypochlorous acid, a naturally occurring compound your own immune system makes to fight germs. It's powerful enough to kill bacteria and viruses, but without any harsh chemicals. Force of Nature has no added fragrances, dyes, or preservatives, yet we are just as effective as bleach. Plus, we have the National Eczema Association Seal of Acceptance. To earn it, our formula has passed rigorous skin safety testing overseen by a board-certified dermatologist, meaning we have met the NEA requirements for safety on all skin types, including sensitive skin. We take your health very seriously. If you or your family have asthma, eczema, fragrance or chemical sensitivities, or allergies, it's time to switch your cleaning routine to Force of Nature. It's gentle, effective, and worry-free.